In 1932, Australia declared war on emus, and lost. Armed with machine guns, soldiers faced off against these large, flightless birds wreaking havoc on farmlands. But the emus, with their speed and erratic movements, outmaneuvered the military efforts, turning the operation into a farcical saga. The soldiers, bogged down by malfunctions and bad weather, found themselves thwarted by the resilient birds, who simply refused to be corralled or culled as planned. The Emu War, as it came to be known, ended with the humans retreating in defeat, highlighting a bizarre chapter where nature's agility triumphed over human technology. This comical yet poignant episode emphasized the unpredictability of nature and the limits of human control, leaving Australians with a humorous, albeit humbling, historical footnote where birds literally dodged bullets and came out on top.